Module 7, Hardware Installation, Straps, Buckles, and Decorative Accessories. Module Overview. Module 7 is pivotal in defining both functionality and aesthetics in leather shoes and bags. Hardware elements such as buckles, rivets, snaps, zippers, and decorative accessories not only enhance usability, but also contribute significantly to the product's style, brand identity, and market value. Proper installation ensures durability, safety, and a professional finish. This module equips you with advanced techniques for accurate hardware placement, strap integration, functional design, and decorative detailing, merging creativity with engineering precision. 1. Overview of leather. Hardware refers to all non-leather components that provide functionality or decoration. Functional hardware, buckles, clasps, D-rings, zippers, snaps, hooks, serve to fasten, adjust, or close shoes and bags. Decorative hardware, studs, rivets, chains, embossed medallions, enhances visual appeal and brand identity. Material types: stainless steel, brass, aluminum, zinc alloy, and coated metals. Choice affects durability, weight, and aesthetics. 2. Hardware installation techniques. Proper installation requires precision and structural reinforcement. Pre-drilling holes, using punches, awls, or drill bits to create exact holes without tearing leather. Securing rivets and studs, using manual or hydraulic presses for consistent attachment. Ensuring rivets pass through all layers of leather for strength. Buckles and clasps, measuring strap length for proper adjustment and comfort. Attaching with stitching, rivets, or combination methods for stability. Zippers, aligning teeth with leather edges accurately. Stitching or top stitching to prevent gaps or misalignment. 3. Strap design and integration. Straps are functional and stylistic components in bags and shoes. Design considerations: width, thickness, and length for comfort and load bearing. Decorative shapes, braids, or embossed patterns. Attachment techniques: looping through hardware, stitching, or rivet reinforcement, ensuring adjustable and secure fastening. Reinforcement: extra layers or interfacing at high-stress areas. Seam allowance and edge finishing for durability. 4. Decorative accessories. Decorative elements enhance product uniqueness and perceived value. Metal studs, medallions, and plaques. Use for visual accent, branding, and stylistic motifs. Placement must balance aesthetics and structural integrity. Leather embellishments, braiding, tassels, cutouts, and appliques. Requires precise alignment and secure attachment, chains, hooks, and clips. Functional for shoulder straps, bag handles, or shoe accents. Must be balanced to avoid strain on leather. 5. Advanced installation considerations. Professional artisans must consider weight distribution, ensuring hardware does not stress or deform leather layering. Multiple layers of leather must be reinforced where hardware is installed. Symmetry, balanced placement for paired shoes or dual straps on bags. Finishing touches, buffing hardware, polishing metal surfaces, and aligning edges. 6. Safety and ergonomics. Hardware must ensure user safety and product ergonomics. No sharp edges or protrusions that could harm the user. Buckles, clasps, and straps must operate smoothly without excessive force. Load-bearing areas must withstand repeated use without tearing. 7. Learning outcomes. By the end of Module 7, you will be able to identify and select appropriate functional and decorative hardware for leather products. Install rivets, buckles, zippers, and clasps accurately and securely. Design, cut, and attach straps with durability and aesthetic appeal. Integrate decorative accessories for enhanced style and brand identity. Apply advanced considerations in hardware placement, weight distribution, and ergonomic design.